And the Madman, we're finishing off game 1, windups versus Nordics. Start back.
Hey, just to clear things up, I'm Rashambo. He's Batman.
The scores, it's 61 to 45.
I have an Odin on the field, and I just removed from plate Valkyrie.
It's 61 to 4,500.
The Grouch.
Camera me stupid.
Okay, now pay attention here.
Now I removed from plate Valkyrie to get Odin's effect at the end of his turn.
Hey, they've already watched the video. Doesn't really matter.
Fine. So I get to draw twice. No, I won't play that just yet. I'll play Heavy Storm. Yeah. I'm now sending a card, and I'm having Odin destroy Genesis.
Take 19 or take 14, putting me at 4,700.
It's your roll, man.
Set,
Go. Draw a card.
out of the bunches of cards in my graveyard.
Yep. I'll set. Odin is not affected by spells and traps. Destroy. Your move.
I don't need to see his body when he's just thinking. Cameraman.
As you can tell from the last video, he fails at his job.
This may work.
The audience disagrees.
Call the haunted.
I don't really care what the camera thinks.
Call the haunted.
Alright then.
Please ignore the little boy you just said.
Juggler.
Very nice. Glare.
Mind control. Can't attack with it. That was a waste. It's your turn.
Draw a card. Set card. I know what's gonna happen here. Odin swings a juggler.
Take 23. I'm at 22.
Do I get to blow up?
Yeah, he's blowing.
At the end of my turn, I remove from play Vanandas to special summon Odin.
Okay.
And I'll draw a card because
You get off the blind. Like move the whole.
he's not touching the blinds.
I know. Y'all can move your whole operation over a little bit.
Can't.
Cost.
Drawing all the way